Your online privacy is of utmost importance, especially in 2020. Data hoarding companies like Google have historically been making millions while leaving you with annoying ads of everything that you do online. Just like any other field, we should never let these multinational corporates control our lifestyle, and thankfully there are always alternatives. When it comes to browsing online, one of the most basic things that you do is change your search engine, but even that may not be enough for certain activities that you do. So I recommend switching the browser entirely, even if you're using something very private like Mozilla Firefox. Sure, keep that around, but also keep another browser in your arsenal, and that's Tor. It stands for the Onion Router. It's a completely secure network which doesn't allow corporates to track your original IP. It works by bouncing your DNS query across 3 other servers before finally reaching the target server. So this way the website has no idea of knowing where you are actually coming from. And the best thing about this browser is that you don't have to worry about ever changing your own IP address because it has a built-in VPN. Tor uses its own or-bot VPN network while connecting to the Tor network, so you essentially have a new identity every single time you access it. If at any point you feel like your current identity with the current IP address has been compromised, simply go to the notification shade and click the new identity button, and voila, you have a brand new instance ready for you. Just like Mozilla Firefox, Tor blocks all the privacy trackers and web crawlers that you might encounter with other search engines and applications online. So you're essentially free from all the bonds and chains that websites typically tie you up with. Just make sure that you don't log into any services or any private accounts using Tor, because that would be a sure way of tracking who you are and what you have done. Only use Tor for browsing general data where sign-in is not required. Use browsers like Firefox for personal account related activities. Tor is meant to be a secure place where you can just browse for information without having to worry about ISP censoring or corporate tracking. It's not really meant to be a site where you log in to your social media account and do your thing, because whether you are on a Tor network or not, your account is still yours, so your identity will not change there. Now, just like with any other service which guarantees you freedom, there is a part of ethics in this. You need to use this responsibly and with non-malicious purposes. The Tor network gives you uncensored freedom to do whatever you want on the web because they believe that the internet should be open for everyone without any kind of barring or censoring. And I too strongly abide by that. But I'm just not a fan of the wrong things that people end up doing with it, like unnecessary piracy and a lot of shady shit. So please, exercise some ethics, be in your limits, and enjoy the privacy, security, and the absolute freedom that Tor network brings you online. I'll leave a link in the description for their website if you would like to check out more of them and maybe donate to their cause. It's free to download for your Android phones, but there's no real straightforward way to download it to your iOS devices. You'll have to use the unofficial version for that. Or, you can just throw your iPhone away and switch to Android. With that said, until next time, take it easy, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.